so excited.
Hershey Park is now just open for summer fun. Enjoy tables, remain seated until the non-bus comes to the
Monorail's really fun. You get to see so many views. And you get to see what ride you want to ride. It was fun, but I wish it could go faster. Nightfall just gave me a candy, so that's why my voice is like this. I'm so excited. You get to direct the eagle.
What you think?
The eagle was fun, but too high, and it made me feel like I was gonna throw up.
That's so scary.
The learn was fun, but this part hurt it after. Not fun. No.
Why?
It felt like you were gonna fall off. Scared. That ride is really fun. You're riding on a record player. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.